Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. So today the question is write a Java program to print pyramid star pattern. To how to print the pyramid star patterns. So first of all, you have to understand how they will solve. So as you can see here in the first what we have to in the dash, which is represent the space over here. Okay. In the abbreviations, first you have to print the space, then you have to print the star. To solving these problems, it's not very difficult. So let's implement this. To implement this, first of all, need one variables which is represent the row is equal to let's take 5. Okay, and then you need the outer for loop which represent the row over here, int I is equal to 0, starting from the 0, and I should less than it is equal to row, means it goes up to rows, and I plus plus. Inside of for loop, you need a to loop, which is a inner loop, which is called the inner loop. The first for loop represent the space, creating the space, and the second loop which is represent the print the star. So let's first of all let's take the conditions which print the space. The for int j is equal to starting from the higher range. Okay, so j is equal to row what we have 5. So starting from the 5 minus I minus 1. Okay, then second j make sure j is greater than is equal to 1, and j minus minus, because it coming from the higher range. Row what we have a 5. So when we are iterating, it's coming in say 5 4 3 2 1. Then you have to print the space. So the condition is j is less than is equal to row minus I minus 1. In the first iteration, so what we have a 1. Okay, starting from 1. Then uh, row minus I. Okay, so 5 minus I we have a 5 minus I, we will get the 4. But the thing is, our first loop is starting from the 0. First iteration, what we have a 0. So j is equal to row minus I, means row minus 0, what we have a 5 minus 0, 5. Then minus 1, what we have a 4. The first place what we have a 4 space. So what you need to do, you have to print the space here over here. So let's take this out, uh, print the space here. Make sure it is a print statement. Then the second for loop which represent the star. Let's take for int j is equal to 0, sorry 0, and j should less than is equal to I and j plus plus. But the thing is, you might be getting confused is two times using the uh, same variables. So you can modify it. Like first you can use k, and k to the third part loop. So starting from the k is equal to 0, and k should less than is equal to I and k plus plus. So what you need to do, you have to print the star over here. This is out, print a star and space. Make sure it is a print statement and come out this for loop. What you have to do, you have to print the next line. This out. Sorry, this is out. Next line. Let's first run this program and see what we will be getting. Run it. See, we will get the pyramid. And the first place of this, in the first place, what we have are four space. Then the third, sorry, run it again. Then second space over here, we have to print the three space, then two, then one, then we don't have any values. The condition becomes false, then you don't have to print the space over here. So this is the way you can solve this problem. You might be getting confusing here, so make sure, let's comment here. First situation, let's suppose first situation what you have I is equal to 0. Okay. The condition is j should is equal to rho minus I minus 1. Okay. Rho minus I minus 1. Okay. So rho what we have are 5 minus I in the first instance what we have a 0 because it will be starting from the 0. 5 minus 0 and then minus 1 minus 1. What we will getting? 4. So j is equal to 4 we will getting. You have to print the, it means make sure j is greater than 1. This condition is also satisfied because the j what we have are 4. 4 is greater than 4 is greater than j. Okay. 4 is greater than j. That is why you have to print the 4 space. 4 space. Next situation, so let's suppose I becomes 1. Okay. I becomes 1. Okay. I is equal to 1. Then what you have to do? Rho minus I. So 5 minus I minus 1. What we will getting? 4 minus 1, we will getting the 3. What you have to do? You have to print the 3 space over here. Then the second iterations, I becomes 3. So you have to do same thing. Rho what we have 5 minus 3 minus 1. So 5 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 1. 1. We will getting the 1. Next, you can see j is greater than equal to 1. This condition is also satisfies. What you have to do? You have to do print the space over here. So here you have to print the only one space here. Then the I becomes 0. Then you don't have to print the space. Means the condition becomes false because j is not greater than 1. Next situations, it will not going to print any space. Then the here is for int k is equal to 0, k less than is equal to I, k plus plus. So the condition is very simple. So k should less than is equal to I. So as you can see here, 0 is less than is equal to I. You have to do print the star. Then the k becomes 1, k is less than is equal to I, print the star. Then again, then again, then again. Until the condition becomes false, you have to print the star. This is the way you have to solve these problems. So that's all about this videos. Thank you for watching. Coding feels just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.